Hey, it's Peter again with LightHarp Industries. It's September 10th, 2010. You remember how I told you that infrared was the way to go? Well, it turns out I lied. Or as Bill Clinton would say, I misspoke. Turns out ultrasound is the way to go. This is a Maxbotics ultrasonic rangefinder. I currently have it rigged up to the Arduino Nano running the LHOS firmware, which works well with ultrasound as well. And I have what's called theremin mode in the firmware now, so that you can make simple theremins. As you can tell, the range on this thing is unbelievable. And it's quite accurate. And it's not confused by the lights, obviously, because it doesn't work based on light. So if I had to name this thing, I would probably call it the AirHarp, because it's not a light harp. Unfortunately, I don't really like theremins very much. The whole idea of playing multiple notes on one light string or air string or whatever you want to call it doesn't really appeal to me. I like having just one note per string. Simpler that way. But as far as getting 7 or more of these hooked up in a device, that might be cost prohibitive, or at least it would raise the cost, let's put it that way. So I don't know if I'm going to do anything with this aside from robotics. I'm thinking of hooking it up on a 2-axis scanning mount and see if I can do some 3-dimensional imaging with it. But I'll show you guys that stuff in due time. At the moment, I've been working on other stuff. Built this cool little toy today. This is called the MIDI shield. This is a standard Arduino 2009. And this MIDI shield allows you to have 2 potentiometers, 3 push buttons, and 2 MIDI jacks, MIDI in and out, and it all just plops right down onto your Arduino. I had to assemble all this and solder it up and stuff, but it wasn't too hard. And I'm running TetraStream on here, which is my algorithmic composition software, and I can adjust the various variables involved in the composition with these knobs and buttons. So I'll be showing you guys that pretty soon as well. Anyway, more soon.